bad boy can do.
Flip mode.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This one will be super quick, super easy, and since it is one of those super quick videos, I'm trying out a new camera. Let me know. The audio may not be the best yet. I'm tinkering with it, but for ease of use and everything that I want for this channel going forward, I feel like this one's going to be a good fit. Now this video is all about the Toyota Supra. It is now officially going to dealerships today, July 22nd, and to confirm this, I got multiple things, okay guys? So for starters, I had a viewer named Tyler reach out to me via email, and he sent me 3 photos around the Ocala, Florida area, a little north of it, so which makes sense because the previous video about these Supras, they're all at the Jacksonville port down there. So they're trucking them out. They were trucking them out to dealerships. That was a couple days ago, he said, and they are there. So those are the 3 photos that he sent me, and now my salesman, Chris, sent me a video too, the very first one that they got at their dealership. Black, red mirror caps because it's the launch edition, and it looks freaking amazing, guys. And it's already sold. So it's already sold. So I'm not gonna say who bought it. They did pay a tad over MSRP, not as bad as like California or anything like that, but it was just a tad, and we will be reviewing it, and we will have some close time with that car. So you guys are excited for the Supra. It looks really, really good. A lot of the negativity is turning positive about that car. The only thing that's not positive is kind of the price, how high it is for what you get, but we know it will be a tuner's car and everything like that, just like the Supra always was. So if you guys are excited for the Supra and you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you all are new around here, please feel free to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, see you later.
Alright, light him up, man. Hey, let's see what that bad boy can do.
Flip mode.